What's up, legends? Today we are unboxing the AirPods Pro. I'm super excited to do this. This is gonna be a sick unboxing, something that you guys chose me to unbox. So this, my friends, it is the AirPod Pros. So we definitely get the headphones. It also comes with the MagSafe charging case. It's got the tag. We just remove the tag. It's got that smooth unboxing feel, the Apple unboxing feel. Apple just has the best boxes in the game. There we go, boom. It's so smooth. Like the way the box just opens up, it's just like designed perfectly. I feel like Apple, every single part of the unboxing experience with Apple is just like perfect, basically. So the first thing that we get is this, and it says designed by Apple in California. And then when you take that off, we've got the, oh God, it just dropped. That's me trying to do things like professionally. We don't do things professionally on this channel. Anyway, so inside the box, we get the actual AirPod case. Another layer of the unboxing experience is this wrapping. There we go. There we have it. Straight into it. So this is the AirPod case. So that's the MagSafe side, and then basically that dot will light up when it's ready to charge, or when it is charging. Those are our actual AirPods. Look at that. This case is made by gods. Whoever designed this is a god. Yeah, man, it just looks sick. So sick. And they charge inside the case. The reason why I bought these is because of the ease of use. Just the fact that you can have this at this size instead of just big overhead headphones is just so much simpler. This is what it looks like, the AirPod Pro. It's got a couple of lines in the black. If we uncover this, it actually says what size it is. So it has M for medium. And then actually inside the box, let's see if there's anything else. So if you take that out, there is a charging cable, the Apple connection to USB-C, which is about, I don't know, maybe 1 meter to 2 meters long. That's pretty long, I would say. But I've got a couple of MagSafe chargers, so I don't have to worry too much. We've got this as well, which I've just realized. So if we open this up, so when we open that up, we've got a couple of these. These will fit to size. The mediums should hopefully be fine, but it's nice to have those options just in case. This is some other information. So it comes with the paperwork. So the AirPods Pro shows you how to connect them. We also have some warranty cards and information over here. Also a bit of trivia for you that I just found out. Did you know that the first AirPods were released in December 2016? That's how they go in. They seem really comfortable. Wow. Very, very nice. So we're gonna turn on our Bluetooth. So I need to open the case, and that has a light on it. And then you turn on the Bluetooth on your iPhone. Oh, I just noticed that these are magnetic inside the MagSafe charging case. So if I just slide it in, it'll just fall into place because it has like this magnet at the bottom. So now it has the Bluetooth connection because it's sort of going on and off the light on the actual MagSafe charging case. So I need to press and hold this button here to connect to Bluetooth. Now we have the AirPods Pro show up. So now it should connect. Now it's instantly connected, and it says that it's Garrett's AirPods Pro. And it has the amount of charge that's on the case and the headphones. Whoa, that's really crazy how, like, I can't hear anything else apart from my voice right now. Like all other noise. Yeah, instantly, it's crazy how like the noise cancelling is on these headphones. That is crazy. These sound great. So let's try some of these options. So if you press it on the side, it actually controls it. So I've just pressed to pause. And you can do it with both sides, which is really cool. Double press, and now it switches the song. And then let's triple press. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, now it's gone back. Now it's gone back to the old song. So now I can skip forward. That's really cool. Let's press and hold. There was a thing which means the noise cancelling is on. Let's press and hold again. Now it means transparency mode, which means I can actually hear my voice over the music. That's really impressive. I love this transparency mode. I can like hear my voice really well while using these headphones. This is really good. It's so clean and the sound is great and they look great. Now, I just want to see if I can see like the information about these AirPods. So if I press I can actually go on the screen and see all the information here. So I can see what the name is, the model number, the limited warranty and all the information. They got a microphone. You can choose what their microphone options are, which is really cool. Spatial audio, which is experience immersive 3-dimensional sound that follows the movement of your iPhone for supported audio and video. Whoa, that is such a change. It's like got a 3D effect. What? So if I move it, it goes louder to where the sound is coming from. So it's going to test my ear fit to see if it's the right fit. It says that it's a good seal. That's really good. And now I can actually choose if I want noise cancelling off completely or have transparency mode so I can hear my voice. I prefer the transparency mode right now so I can actually hear. Alright, let's have a look at this MagSafe charging case. So that just fits in there and then you can charge it on like a power brick or your computer. And then we also have the MagSafe option, which is really sick. So it charges the case and the AirPods at the same time. So if we have a look, this is our MagSafe charger, real quick. So this is our case, so it just fits in there and then a light appears when it's ready to charge. Also, something that I just noticed is when you take the AirPods off, it will stop playing the music on Spotify. And then when you put it back on, it will play the music from where it started and stopped, which is quite a nice feature. So if you want to change the name of your AirPod by just going to the top of those settings of the actual AirPods where we were before, the information, then we can just write like AirPod Pros Bro. Something that I didn't know is if I can customize the presses. So if I press this, then it'll go to Siri. And then if I click off, it goes back to the music. There we go, audio visual. Okay, so if I turn that up, now I can have custom audio setup. Let's go to music. That was like custom audio settings just for me. That's really cool. So then you go through like a whole bunch of options and you can actually tailor it to you. They're super comfortable and really useful. I love how you have all this stuff tailored towards you as the user. So wow, what an unboxing it has been. Thanks so much guys for watching today's video of the AirPod Pro unboxing. Hope you guys appreciate it. And if you like to see more of this type of content, make sure that you like and subscribe. Leave a comment for what you want to see next. And I'll see you guys then.